welcome back to my channel, Wellness with Yen. My name is Yen. Today I'm going to talk about 8 primal movements you can incorporate into your daily movement. Whether is it for your warm-up or for your cool-down or in between your workouts, these are some of the 8 best movements you can incorporate for better mobility. So stay tuned. So what is primal movement basically? Primal movement basically mimics the movement of animals, therefore primal movement. If you do a quick search on the internet, you may also hear this kind of training called the animal flow. Do check it out to get a feel of what primal movement training is all about. So the benefits of primal movement basically is to unlock all the tight parts of our joints, whether it's our hips, our shoulders, or our thoracic or the mid-back area, or even your knees or your ankles. So yeah, we want to regain the mobility around these joints so that we can move freely, just like an animal, right? They don't do training every day, they just move, and when environment calls for it, they will just run or chase after their prey or run away from the predator. So that's what primal movement basically is. So yeah, just have just have fun. So one key thing about primal movement training is to have fun with it, have fun exploring the way how your body can move, and just be patient with yourself, keep practicing, and know that with time, your body will be awakened to restoring its natural movement. Just be patient with yourself in terms of primal movement training. You will get better, you'll get more supple, just like a leopard or a cheetah or whatever animal that you like. Even a sloth also moves pretty elegantly, right? So yeah, have fun with the video and let me know how it goes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments, let me know if you have any questions as well. Alright, bye!